Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by confirming model and connection type so you don't waste time buying the wrong adapter. Plug the headset into the correct port, USB for digital audio 3, 5mm for analog, or insert the wireless dongle into a USB 2, 0/3, 0 port. Once connected, power the headset and set it to pairing or wired mode. This ensures the device initializes. Make sure your PC or console recognizes new hardware in its sound settings before moving on to driver and software steps. Once done connecting, install the Steelseries Engine or GG app because it provides firmware updates and advanced audio controls. Launch the app, sign in if needed, and let it detect your headset. Update firmware when prompted. This fixes latency and mic issues. Do not unplug during the process. Next, configure input/output routing. Enable sidetone if you need to hear your voice, and choose an EQ preset or create one. These steps optimize microphone clarity and headset frequency response. You finish by setting the headset as the default playback and recording device in Windows or your console, and then test both game audio and voice chat to confirm balance. If you hear clipping, lower mic gain. If audio is thin, try an EQ boost in low frequencies. Make sure chat/game sound is routed correctly in app settings. If anything goes wrong, try replugging, restarting the headset and computer, reinstalling drivers, or performing a headset reset. One of those steps resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.